Guess we'll give a little update. Vegas is very dirty. It's a very dirty place.
They're very gifted in terms of begging.
And what would you say about Vegas? What would you rate it?
I would give it a C minus.
Panhandle Central. It's just too many hustlers, too many just grimy looking people. That like, I'm not about to walk around with my camera out.
You can't distinguish the homeless people from the regular people.
Yes. Everybody is a hustler.
And
And I will be bringing my gun next time because it's very, I'm gonna say crackhead, but crackhead-ish.
Vegas just isn't at the top of our vacation.
We're back from Vegas, and I'm tired. This was a crazy trip. Before I even start talking or saying anything, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, smack it, like Will Smith. As you can see, in 2020, I hated Vegas. You can tell by the clips and how negative we were. We hated Vegas, but I'm so glad we went back. This trip was wild. I had my family there. We all piled up in the van, and we did it. We tried to do everything that Vegas can offer. Like, it was just crazy. So, like normal, we start off Southwest Airlines. It don't get no better than 2 free bags, $79 ticket, one way there. You ain't beating that. And we get there, first thing we do is hop off the plane, get the rental car from Fox Rental, which I said I'll never do that again, but that was cheaper than Toro this time. Go straight from Fox Rental straight to 7 Magic Mountains, or 6 Magic Mountains, I think it's 7. And somebody said all you need is 3 minutes there, and they was about right. That's all you need is about 3 minutes there. But still, it was kind of cool to see these rocks out in the middle of the desert, minding a business. And yeah, that was 7 Magic Mountains. I kind of like that whole thing. Just in the middle of the desert, these random colorful rocks out there. It's kind of dope. Look who back with me. This is my aunt, the one that's kind of mean. We just got to Vegas. We ain't stopped moving. Look, oh God, you gonna mess up we ain't stopped moving. I'm tired. We've been up since 4 this morning. Layover in Long Beach. But we still going, and we ain't gonna stop until what time is the Sugar Factory?
So like 11 p.m. tonight. We got the Sugar Factory and the Chandelier Bar. But I can't let the color.
We are doing Vegas again.
I don't know.
I'm tired. I'll delete this.
No, don't delete it.
Oh.
Next on the list was the Sugar Factory, like right in the heart of the downtown or the strip area. I'm gonna go out and say this place was kind of overrated. It was good, but it was kind of overrated. But the big giant drink where the smoke and stuff come out, that was pretty cool. But like, it was kind of like $18, $19 for a burger, and it's like, this tastes okay. but like their portions are really big. So don't go in there thinking you can eat one portion by yourself. Share it with somebody, especially the cheesecake ice cream thing. Share that with somebody. It's pretty huge. The Cheeto burger, I didn't try it, but my family tried it. They said it was good. So try that hot Cheeto burger if you get a chance to do that. And yeah, I'd go there for the experience. That's what you're really paying for, is the experience. It is different. There's music playing, you know. It's very bright. You get a view of like right in downtown, right over everything. So I would definitely try it for that.
The next day, we went to the Wicked Spoon at the Cosmopolitan Chelsea Tower, and it was $40 a person, and trust me, it was well worth it.
We just made it to the Wicked Spoon.
First of all, good morning.
Good morning. I don't care about that morning.
We made it to the Wicked Spoon inside the Cosmopolitan Hotel, or the Cosmo. And we're with our family, well, 7 of us.
Yeah.
And
it wasn't that bad trying to get here.
Because Houston is 2 hours early, everything is still very like early morning for people out here. Like it's 8 o'clock, but for us it feels like it's 10 o'clock. So
take some off of my plate.
So
let's go walk the buffet.
Yeah, and let's go get some food. Okay, this is plate number 4. It's a lot of desserts. We got molten cake, a white chocolate bourbon something. We've got an Oreo shot, a chocolate cupcake. We've got a coconut mousse something. We've got creme brulee, a mango something, and a chocolate croissant. Okay, y'all. This dessert plate. Amazing. Amazing. Just look at it one more time. I only had a bite of the chocolate croissant. I'm already in love. Let's try this creme brulee. So good.
Where we at, ain't they?
The Bellagio.
And what is this area called?
Flower garden.
And don't it smell like real flowers?
Smells like real flowers.
I think it's real flowers in here.
They're real flowers.
It's so beautiful and it smells good too.
How much did we pay to park?
$0.
Hold on, we don't know that yet. If we in here longer than an hour, then
Yes.
we're gonna pay. They're gonna charge us 15. So we're gonna try to run through the Bellagio real quick and get up out of here. But I ain't trying to pay nothing. I'm tired of paying.
Bye.
That's her phone.
Something off the beaten path that we enjoyed was the Las Vegas Monorail. It was $13 for 24 hours per person. Now, the convenience of this was that a tram arrived at each station every 9 minutes. When you get on, you get to experience some awesome scenic views of Vegas that you normally wouldn't get to experience. Now, it has several stops along the way, which include Caesar's Palace and the Las Vegas Convention Center. Don't forget, free parking at the Sahara.
We decided that one of the stops is going to be the Flamingo Hotel. That's where we stayed at last time we was in Las Vegas. And I wanted to show my family that this place has a flamingo exhibit inside the hotel. That's crazy. I'm not into that kind of stuff. Big giant birds. That's not my thing. But I let them go see it. I mean, look at this. Look at this thing. I ain't going nowhere near that.
Look out for part 2, where we explore more stunning places, have great times with the family, eat at a hidden gem off of Fremont Street, and create core memories. Oh yeah, and tell you about how we got stuck in California for 14 hours. You heard me right, 14 hours.